पिछले 5 मिनट से ये क्रोज यहाँ बैठे हैं और मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं। डिस्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होना।
A few minutes later.
ये ठंड तो बहुत अलग ही तरीके से बढ़ती जा रही है। I mean, कब कम होगी ये ठंड? जो इस ठंड में रोज नहा लेता है उसको मेरा सलाम।
Keep it up. I see you. I salute you.
मेरी बहन और मैं तो हाथ भी गर्म पानी से धो के आते हैं। हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ निधि एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल, जहाँ पर हम किसी भी रैंडम चीज़ में से या रैंडम सिचुएशन में से गॉसिप का टॉपिक निकाल लेते हैं। कल रात को मैं बहुत लेट सोई। मुझे पता है मेरी बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक बहुत भयानक तरीके से शिफ्ट हो रखी है, बट फिर भी मैं 3-4 बजे तक सो जाती थी। बट कल ऐसा हुआ कि मुझे आज के सुबह 6 बजे तक नींद ही नहीं आ रही थी। बट उसका रीज़न मेरी बायोलॉजिकल क्लॉक नहीं थी। उसका रीज़न ये था कि मेरे दिमाग में कंटिन्यूसली एक थॉट चल रहा था। माई गैलरी इज़ फुल ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ। एक्सेप्ट फॉर माई पर्सनल फोटोग्राफ्स, देर आर स्क्रीनशॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई वॉन्ट टू सेव टू बी वॉच्ड लेटर और समथिंग विच आई कैन रिलेट टू, राइट? तो कल क्या हुआ, जस्ट वाइल गोइंग थ्रू ऑल दोज पिक्चर्स वंस अगेन, आई केम अक्रॉस अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ अ पोस्ट दैट आई लाइक्ड ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. उसमें देर वॉज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ अ कंपैरिजन इन डिफरेंट एजेस ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड एट व्हाट एज डू यू हैव द थिंग्स विच आर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर यू, राइट? बेसिकली सेइंग कि लेट्स से अ ह्यूमन बीइंग इज अ किड एट अ पॉइंट, राइट? उसके पास उस टाइम पे टाइम होता है एंड एनर्जी भी होती है ट्रैवल करने की, बट ही और शी माइट नॉट हैव द मनी टू ट्रैवल, ठीक है? ऑब्वियसली सपोर्ट भी नहीं होता है. Second is the stage where he is earning. So at that time he will have the energy and money, but उस time पे उसके पास time ही नहीं होगा. Obviously you are so busy and so done and so occupied with all things that you are doing. Let's say you are doing a job, you are taking care of your family, everything comes into place, right?
मेरे पास माँ है.
And the third stage is when you are retired, you have the time and money to travel, but you don't have the energy left. So in that post, they were trying to say this thing that किसी भी चीज़ को टालना नहीं चाहिए. You should not say this thing कि मैं कर लूँगा या कर लूँगी. मतलब whatever you want to do, you should do it right now, right? Instagram being a very big social distraction often makes us believe this thing that the other people, the ones we are seeing on the screen, they have a very different life. Like they have a life which is desired, Pinteresty aesthetic kind of life वो जी रहे हैं, जबकि we all know this thing that behind the scenes it might not always be the true story, right? From real to a reel, there is a very different story. For example, a happily married couple on Instagram might be undergoing some very serious family feuds and even divorce cases in the worst case scenarios. So these are the things which we know are not shown on Instagram or any social media, because obviously इन सब फ्यूड्स को लोग क्यों ही शो करना चाहेंगे किसी को, राइट? सो सोशली वी कैन से, और पीयर प्रेशर के हिसाब से वी कैन से दिस थिंग दैट समटाइम्स you are advised by a lot of people that 20s is the age to travel, you need to take that trip, you need to travel the world, you need to go on solo trips, you need to travel with friends, you need to just do everything in your 20s. But is that true? Let's come down to the ground reality. 20s is the age when you've just graduated, or you might have just completed your studies and you are now trying to figure out life, right? I won't say it's true for everyone, but let's say it's true for a vast majority of people. You have just graduated, you're figuring your life out, right? I am 24 and I'm still figuring out what I have to do with my life. I am doing a job, but there are a lot of things that I want to do and I am working hard for that. So, how do you think that it is possible for a person to just do all those things together? Of course, it's not always necessary that you have to just grind yourself to the point where you get saturated. You can go out and have simple trips and all, but the stigma around this thing that you have to do this thing because you might not get the time in future is not correct, according to me. There is also a point that sometimes what happen is that as soon as a person graduates and gets into a job, he or she might need to provide for their family immediately, right? Their families might be dependent on them. So do you think that person can spare out the time or the money to travel? Like obviously ये सब चीज़ें कोई ना करना नहीं चाहता है, but there are some conditions जिसकी वजह से you have to take a step back, right? The simplest thought that I had on this was that let us work hard and leave everything what is destined to be. Like obviously there is something fated, right? Everything will happen at a right time, You cannot control it. If I want to do something right now, maybe God has planned that I might achieve that thing after 2 or 3 years. मैं जितनी मर्जी मेहनत कर लूँ उस पे, I might not be able to achieve it right now. But if I work hard, I will definitely achieve that thing, right? So it is very important for you to work hard right now rather than just getting distracted with things ki, that person is so lucky, वो हर जगह जा चुका है, they have collected so many stamps on their passports. Why am I not born with the same things? Every person has a different story in their life. Every person has a different set of problems, right? You cannot compare yourself to anyone. But what you can do is you just keep on working hard for whatever is meant for you, wherever you have been planted, right? Obviously there is a notion of smart work these days, but there is no shortcut to hard works. जहाँ पे आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, you would have to do it, come what may. मैंने कभी किसी से एक बात सुनी थी कहीं पे कि एक इंटेलिजेंट इंसान फेल हो सकता है लेकिन एक हार्ड वर्किंग इंसान कभी फेल नहीं होता. तो ऑब्वियसली दैट अप्लाइज, एंड आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ एग्जांपल्स आल्सो where the intelligence of some people fail because of their arrogance, and sometimes people who might think that they are a little less intelligent think इसलिए क्योंकि obviously भगवान ने दिमाग सबको दिया है. It's up to you whether you want to use it to its full potential or not. They were able to achieve a lot bigger in their lives. So मेरी जान, everything boils down to one point, that it is not necessary for you to take that Europe trip or take that trip to France just as you graduated. Life is a beautiful journey. Let's enjoy it in the way it is supposed to be for us. Let's not compare our lives to everyone else out there, okay? Because obviously the differences what we have make us the most unique species, right? Enjoy your life in a different way. Enjoy your life in the way you want it, right? Because if you find true happiness, then it is not always necessary to spend too much and then only find it, right? I'm not saying that कि मज़ा नहीं आता, but till the time you can't, just don't get saddened over the fact कि मैं ट्रिप्स पे नहीं जा पा रही हूँ या फिर मैं ये नहीं कर पा रही हूँ तो I am, my life is boring. No, find your interesting. It can be going out with friends, having a conversation with friends, going to libraries and reading fiction novels there, sitting by a lakeside and drawing. Just do what makes you happy and enjoy this journey. You will definitely achieve whatever is destined for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. मुझे एकदम से रियलाइज़ हुआ कि आज की वीडियोस में इतनी सारी बर्ड्स की चirping है. मतलब आज कुछ कुछ डे था क्या जिसकी वजह से ये चिड़िया बस इधर उधर घूम रही है, एंड मोर स्पेसिफिकली इधर. एंड आई देन रियलाइज कि मेरे मम्मी रोज़ यहाँ पे छत पे खाना डाल के जाते हैं उनके लिए. आई रूइंड देयर लंच. अब तो उनको अपना लंच जो है इवनिंग स्नैक के तौर पे खाना पड़ेगा. सैड.